Hey guys, welcome back to Make That Sea Change. Paul here with you again. And Make That Sea Change is my site and channel aimed at everything to do with setting up your own online business. Now, along those lines, today we're going to look into the world of AI tools with my AI tool affiliate programs list. Now, AI tools are something that have really taken off in the past, probably 12 months now, I guess, but really in the last couple, 4 or 5 or 6 months have I really started to see it come out. You got like Chat GPT is probably the main one that most people know, but just about everything has some sort of AI, artificial intelligence element to it. So what I've done is I've gone through and found the tools that have affiliate programs for those of you who are affiliate marketers and want to increase your affiliate income with these sort of programs. The problem is, I think, is by the time I've even finished this video, there'll be new programs out there coming out almost every day. Because I've been researching it, my Facebook stream is just full of new AI programs every couple of posts. So hopefully they're still all around by the time we get to the end of this video, but let's not waste any more time. Let's have a look at the 10 AI platform affiliate programs that I found. As we go through, I'll have a look at what they are, their commission rates, payment terms, cookie duration, application processes, etc. So as we know, AI tools, software platforms, application that they leverage machine learning, deep learning, and other AI techniques to analyze, interpret, and make decisions based on data. For bloggers, basically we say, can you write me a post on the 10 best tires for a four-wheel drive? And it will create the post. So that's, in a very, very extreme basic term what they do. They can write HTML code, they can build mobile phone apps. They can do all sorts of things. It's really quite impressive. Anyway, let's have a run through. Krater.AI is the first one. It's got all your AI tools and apps. They want to make utilization of artificial intelligence as seamless as possible. Now, every one of these we go through all do fairly similar options. I've listed their key features here. I'm not going to go through and read every single word of every single key feature for you. So I don't want to put you to sleep. But basically, they do copywriting, image generation. You can chat, you can build chat, text-to-voice, co-creator, text-to-speech, etc., etc. So they've got quite a good array of tools there. For affiliates, their commission rate is 40%. That's one good thing about these software programs, that software programs tend to have higher commission rates, which is really good, and a lot of them are recurring. 60-day cookie duration. And again, a lot of these don't even require an application. You just enter your name and email on their website and you are in. I think this one here is an affiliate link. Yep, I need to fix that up, but that's an affiliate link. And that all I did was register. Okay, next one then is Koala. Now I use Koala. I use it to create web blog posts. And it can do it in bulk, so I'll give it 30 titles and I'll just create all 30 posts and put it straight into my WordPress site. So it's very good for things like that. It uses Chat GPT behind the scenes. So it's got SEO analytics. You can create Amazon. I get it to create buying guides just by plugging my app, the Amazon, the product type, and you can put the URL in, or you can just put in your Amazon account code and it will go and do it all the time. Published to WordPress, as I said, AI writer and chatbot, real-time data, enhanced control, API access, etc., etc. That's quite a good one. It's got 30% recurring commission rate, 60-day cookie duration, and again, you just register that one via their website. Third one is Jasper. Jasper is actually one of the very first ones that came about. It was very, with apologies to, I think it was called Jarvis back then even as well. And it was quite difficult to use and quite expensive. I didn't use it for very long, but I had to play with it the other day. It is improved out of sight compared to what it was. Content creation, high quality SEO optimized articles. It'll write you paragraphs, it'll write you articles, etc., etc. And campaign acceleration, content, analytics and insights. You can integrate it with any of your Google Docs, Google Chrome, etc. Zapier, which is good, etc. So it's quite a good one. 25% commission rate. Couldn't find their cookie duration, and their registration is via their website. They actually do turn their affiliate program on and off regularly from what I've seen as well. So I mean, to be honest, there's a good chance you could click on there and it could be closed at the moment. So just double check that as you go along as well. Copy.ai is the next one. AI powered platform, accelerate content creation again. SEO optimized content, various purposes, blogs to product descriptions. So again, similar to the others we've covered. Chat, long-term articles, workflows, e-commerce workflows, brand voice, secure and enterprise ready. So you can plug it into your enterprise servers if you wish. 35% of the users' first year is subscription payments, which is good. Cookie duration couldn't find, and you will need to put a little bit of information into their website to apply for this one. So you actually need to enter your post, social media, etc. Reply.io is my next one here. AI sales engagement platform to assist sales development representatives discovering new prospects, engaging them. So it's one of these ones that was already around, but they've added an AI element to it. So they've added AI to your workflows, to your outlines, to etc. Integration platform, account-based selling automations, video scheduling, etc. So, and they've added AI to a lot of these processes. So as I say, this one was already around, but they've incorporated AI into it, which is what a lot of these programs are doing now as well. Up to 25% commission rate, and you just register through their website for this one too. Frase is my next one. Smart AI for smarter SEO, streamline SEO content creation. Tools quickly and efficiently create content that ranks on Google. So there you go. Very similar again. SEO content workflow. So basically, a lot of them do the same thing. It'll research your keywords, give you an outline, you write it and optimize it all into one spot. It can analyze your competitors' contents. It can visualize your search engine result pages, metrics, etc., and really sort of bring it all into one spot. 30% recurring commission, and then you get extra once you bring up your extra customers as well. So that's quite a good one. You will need to apply for the Frase program as well. Descript, video and podcast editing. So it is basically you put in your videos, it will then use AI. I think this one has been around for a while as well, Descript. It's not a new program, but the AI features that it's incorporated, edit video by editing text, Descript transcribes videos and edits them as you do. AI voice clones, so you can use AI to put voices over the top, sound quality, green screen effects, etc. as part of its AI. These are all using artificial intelligence to improve the functionality within the platforms. This one has a 15% recurring commission for the first year that your referees are a member. Couldn't find a cookie duration again, and registration for this is just via their website too. Grammarly is our next one. Grammarly has also been around for quite a while. It used to just be a program that you put information in and it would check it to make sure it wasn't plagiarized and etc. Now it's incorporated AI into that as well. So it will create clear, compelling writing across various platforms to maintain your unique voice. It will do emails, messages, social media, and then obviously it's still got your grammar, spelling, plagiarism checkers, etc. as well. So quite a few in there. AI writing tools, essay checkers, paraphrasing tools, so on and so forth. This one's been used quite a bit in schools because what teachers are realizing is students are now using AI to write their assignments. So they're trying to battle that quite hardly. Quite hardly, I don't think that's a word, but anyway. Writesonic, all-in-one platform that leverages AI to assist in content creation, audio generation, image crafting, etc. So very similar to all the others. AI content creation, chats, chatbot builders, Chrome extensions, and then it's got suites there as well. Social media content for articles and blogs, product descriptions, ad copy, images, and art. A lot of these programs, I mean, ChatGPT will create you an image. Koala can create you an image. They create images if you don't want to use stock, or you've got a problem using, finding images that you can use, around copywriting and stuff like that. A lot of these programs will create you images as well. For this one, 30% lifetime commission. So that's recurring and lifetime. You will need to apply for the Writesonic affiliate program, however. Okay, Pictory, easy video creation for content creators. You generate more leads and boosts by transforming any content into highly shareable videos using AI. So these are programs that, again, have been around. I remember in my old government days, we used programs it transcribed our text and created videos for it. This one uses AI to, sort of improve on it, create better videos, create your images, all that sort of stuff as well. And I think this one may have been around for a little while too, but as like some of the others here, has used AI to enhance its capabilities as well. So AI voices, so on and so forth. Up to 50%, 20% for every commission of new paying customer. And then this one has a sub-affiliate option as well, which is, sort of like the multi-level marketing. But if you have an affiliate, if you're an affiliate member and you sign up someone else who becomes an affiliate, then you get a commission on what they get as well. So you do have a little bit of a downline. There's coupon codes there. And their cookie duration, 9,999 days, which is pretty good. So if anyone clicks on your platform and their cookies on their things, as long as they'll get rid of their laptop before you lose your cookies, but that's a good long cookie duration. Okay, so that's that for my 10 AI affiliate programs. As you go through and choose them, just make sure your cookie durations are right. Make sure the products are good. Make sure that they've got a good reputation, good reviews, etc. Because if you're promoting products that aren't up to scratch, you'll lose trust within your site as well as an affiliate marketer. So just double check that also. So that's it, guys. That's my 10 AI platform affiliate programs. Hope that was helpful for you. Comment below if there's any of these programs that you use, or if there's others that you are an affiliate member of that have been working quite well for you. I'd love to hear about those. As I said, there's new ones coming all the time. So this is probably a post that will drive me bananas because I'll have to go back in and keep updating it as new programs come in. But anyway, that's it. Comment below, as I mentioned. If you're watching within YouTube, please like and subscribe to my channel below as well. That's it, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye.